Good morning, students. So, in previous classes, we discussed about these lessons. What is the solid types of solids, crystalline solids, amorphous solids, and the type of the crystalline solids. So, another topics today we discuss. It is the crystal lattice and the unit cell. So, solid are formed by the crystal lattice, and these crystal lattice, the smallest unit is unit cell. So today we discuss about this crystal lattice and what is the crystal lattice. So crystal lattice is a three-dimensional. The main characteristic of crystalline solid is regular and repeating pattern of constituent particles, and we know that in previous classes the crystalline solid have the regular repeating pattern. If three-dimensional arrangement in crystals, so diagrammatically each particle is depicted as a points. It means solid made of the स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स, छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल से मिलके बने होते हैं, एंड ईच पॉइंट इन क्रिस्टल लैटिस डिनोट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स. सो दीज three dimensional arrangement of point in space is called the crystal lattice. ये जो थ्री डायमेंशनल स्पेस पॉइंट्स हैं इसे ही हम क्रिस्टल लैटिस कहते हैं. सो only 14 possible three-dimensional lattice. These are called the Bravais lattice. 14 टाइप्स की क्रिस्टल लैटिस होती हैं जिसे हम ब्रेविस लैटिस कहते हैं. ये आपको आगे बताया जाएगा. Each point in lattice is called the lattice point or lattice sides. These constituent particles of solids. It means how solids are made, ion, atom or molecules. These are called the constituent particles, and each point is called lattice sides. In crystal lattice, point is called the lattice sides, and each point in crystal lattice represent one constituent particles, which may be atom, molecule, or group of atoms or the ions. Lattice point are the joined by the straight line to bring out the geometry of the lattice. जो ये लैटिस पॉइंट्स है, ये जो जिससे जॉइंट्स होता है, इट इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन्स एंड मेक द ज्योमेट्रिकल पैटर्न. व्हेन वी मीट दीज लाइन विद द क्रिस्टल लैटिस पॉइंट, इट मेक द ज्योमेट्रिकल पैटर्न. सो इट इज अ थ्री डायमेंशनल structure of the crystal lattice. Another topic is a unit cell. So what is a unit cell? A small part of this crystal lattice, a small part. So the smallest unit of this crystal lattice is called the unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest portion of crystal lattice, and when repeated in the different directions generate the entire lattice. Means these lattice make the 8 unit cell, 4 above and 4 below. These unit cell dimensional along the three edges A, B and C. The smallest part of this crystal lattice is a unit cell, and these lines are denoted A, B and C, and between the angle C and B is alpha, between the angle C and A beta, and the angle between A and B is gamma. So these angles and the length of these edge decided the repeating pattern of the crystal lattice. So these unit cell are different types. primitive and the centered unit cell. Means these unit cell is two types. Number first is primitive or simple unit cell. So primitive unit cells are the simple unit cells, those unit cells which have the constituent particle present on the corner, only at the corner. So it is called the primitive unit cell. And non-primitive unit cell are centered unit cell, corner as well as other than corner. So centered unit cell can be classified the body centered, face centered and end centered. So it is defined as the when constituent particle present corner. It means corner as well as other than corner, for example body centered or face centered. कॉर्नर के साथ साथ दूसरे प्लेस पर भी पाए जाएंगे एटम्स, तो उसे हम सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल कहेंगे. एंड इट इज कैटेगराइज बॉडी सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल मीन्स दोज कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट एट द सेंटर ऑफ बॉडी, इस बॉडी के सेंटर में. एंड फेस सेंटर्स, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेस इन दिस फिगर इज 6 faces. So the all 6 faces have the atom as well as at the corner, so it is called the face centered. And end centered means any two opposite faces above or below, side etc. So it is called the end centered. So all about the lattice crystal and unit cell. Okay.